Hi everyone, and it is tag time. Yes, I'm doing a tag today and I was tagged by Mr. Jovita George, and Jovita is a girl, and why she's called Mr. Jovita George, you gotta go and check on her channel. And channel I will leave a link below. I like her sense of humor and she's full of life. I have written down the questions in a piece of paper, and that's the questions. There are 50 questions. Next page also, yes, I've written it in pink because I love writing with pink whenever I can, because generally you just can't write with pink pen. So whenever I'm writing casually or in my diary especially, I write with pink pen. So that's one thing which is not asked in the questions, and you know about me. So moving on to the tag. First question, what are you wearing? So I'm wearing this top. I got this from Hill Road, I guess. Yeah, I got this from Hill Road and I really like the print on this. So that was my outfit, and like most vloggers, I also, when it's not required to show the full outfit, like I'm doing a makeup tutorial or just yapping, I wear a nice top, and bottoms are usually anything homely like pajamas or shorts, any kind of those. Moving on to second question, ever been in love? Yes, haven't you? Ever had a terrible breakup? Terrible? I guess, yeah. How tall are you? I am 5'6". And next question. How much do you weigh? I am something around 45-46 kgs. Yes. Any tattoos? No. So next question. Any piercing? Yes, only the ears. OTP. What's that? I don't know meaning of it. OTP, over the pot. Favorite show? All-time favorite show, then it has to be Bewitched. I'm bewitched by Bewitched. One type of show that I really like to watch are dance shows. Favorite bands? I like Indian Ocean a lot. Something you miss. Something you miss. Yes, I'll miss my sister. I mean, the long distance, like she's in Sydney and I'm here. Though Skype helps, but still, you know how it is. Favorite song? Well, this is a difficult question. How old are you? Keep guessing. Zodiac sign? Capricorn. Quality you look for in a partner? Oh my god. I would certainly want my partner to, be interested into dancing, and because I think dance has its own language, and someone who smiles a lot and makes me laugh. And a favorite quote is, stay happy, stay beautiful, because life is beautiful. Oh, sorry, wait, the video is not ending because this is the line I really like, and I generally say this at the end of so people might be thinking, oh, she's going, bye bye, too much of yapping happening, go home. So that's my favorite quote these days. Favorite actor? Hrithik Roshan, John Abraham. I'm crazy about Bollywood. Favorite color? Well, these days I like pink and purple. 19th question. Loud music or soft? Generally soft music, but for parties and for dancing, loud music. You see? Where do you go when you are sad? When I'm sad, I just go on YouTube. I go to this channel called Sakone Jolie, and there is this super cute baby called Amelia. She's so cute and she's always smiling, and also she really gets a smile on her face and all of those things. So yeah, that's what I. How long does it take you to shower? Well, I think when I'm washing my hair and all of those things all together, it takes me around 1.5 hours. But if I'm taking a bath or something, maybe between 15 minutes to half an hour. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? 1.5 hour to 2 hours. Yeah, I've been in a physical fight like tishum 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 tishum. I just did. Well, not really. I mean, people generally don't fight with me because I'm just too small and delicate looking, but I'm not too delicate, mind you. I mean, I like, playing, punching people, especially my guy friends, like chishum chishum, and playing around with the pillow fight. But yeah, I had actually sort of beaten a guy on the railway station. Turn on, I guess it's the blue shirt. Yes. Yes, I think it is somebody's smile, the way a person, behave. I think actions, they speak a lot than words. They don't turn me on, seriously. Yeah, I mean, you just get infatuated with words, with sweet talks and all of those things, but yeah, mind you girls, actions speak more than words. So yeah. And I think eyes, these days it's eyes. I mean, okay, turn offs, lazy people, they are too turn off for me. Too money minded sort of people. I just get super negative vibes from them. Yeah, so that's turn offs. And the reason I joined YouTube, because of my blog, because I was blogging and I wanted some other medium of communication with my readers. And fears, very scared of dogs. Like some dogs, puppies, they're too cute and all, but still I'm too scared to. I don't hate dogs, there's just a fear. I mean, there's a childhood story related to it. Like my friend, I was playing with my friend and a dog came and bit him in front of me. So all those things, psychological things. Last thing that made you cry. Actually, I don't remember all these negative things. I just wipe it. Yeah, but let's not talk negative stuff. I don't like crying, right? No. Last time you said you loved someone. All these things, personally, I actually don't say it out, but meaning behind your YouTube name, Miss Angelic Smile. Well, this is one thing I guess all YouTubers almost have the same story, that they decide upon a name and when they go and register for that name is not available. So firstly I tried my original name Bhavna Ahuja, which was actually not available. YouTube asked me to put some numerics behind Bhavna Ahuja, and I was like, I mean, for Indian people it's fine, but if somebody who's not an Indian, they might not get my name and all of those things. So I thought I'll not keep my channel name as my own name. So I thought, what do I keep? And then I remembered I had this blog long back called Angelic Smile. I don't know how I came up with that name, but yeah, it was some sort of that I wanted to put stuff that made people smile and all of those things. But I happened to cry a lot, those ranting and all of those kind of blog, it turned out into that thing. But yeah, so that blog name was Angelic Smile. So I typed Angelic Smile into YouTube, will you give me the name Angelic Smile? And he was like, sorry, not he, YouTube was like, no. Then I was like, what do I do? So I don't like numbers and all of those things. So I just thought, okay, let me just put Miss Angelic Smile, and dang, YouTube said it's available. And by the time I was so harrowed with what name should I keep. I was like, okay Baba, let's keep Miss Angelic Smile. At least it's some nice, positive smiley name, kind of thing. So that's that. So that's the story behind me. Last book you read. Magazines, Vogue, does that count? The book you are currently reading, the book of life. There's no such book. I'm not reading any book currently. Okay. Last show you watched. Last show I watched. Last person you talked to. Talked to like on the phone. Does Skype count? I was talking to myself. The relationship between you and the person you last text. SMS or WhatsApp? What? But yeah, WhatsApp, I was just chatting with a friend. Favorite food, I love pasta, I love pizza, I love curry chawal, I love curry chawal as in tomato curry chawal, tomato curry and rice. And that's what I remember right now. Fatafat, quickly. Place you want to visit. Paris, UK. Any place in UK. I think, yeah, Paris. Last place you were. Sydney. And do you have a crush? I had crushes on Twitter, and I have a crush on Instagram, and in real life too. So I have many crushes. So last time you kissed someone, my soft toy Sonu. Last time you were insulted. Well, as I said, I don't really remember. Don't keep a log of negative things in my head, and so I don't remember right now. Maybe if I try to think about it for 15-20 minutes, I will remember some. Next question, my battery is dying. Favorite flavor of sweet chocolate. Okay, hazelnut. Hazelnut. What instrument do you play? What instrument do I play? Does this count? Playing on the table or on some surface? Thun thun thun. Does that count? Okay, favorite piece of jewelry. Favorite piece of jewelry would be any kind of versatile piece of jewelry. Some jewelries that you can just wear it as a necklace, or the same thing you can wear it as your headpiece, the same piece you can wear it as your bracelet. All of these versatile kind of things. But yeah, I really like wearing headpieces and all of those things. You must have seen in some of my previous videos I was wearing that white headpiece and all of those things. So I keep doing all of those things. Guess what that thing was? Okay, moving on to next question. Last sport you played? Candy Crush. Is that a sport? No. Then last song you sang? Last song I sang. Why this tag is about what you did here and what you did when. Favorite chat up line. Have you ever used it? No. Last time you hung out with anyone? With a friend here. Who should answer these questions next? Oh yes, I have made a list for this because I don't remember. Okay, so I will tag Raji from Makeup with Raji, Sonal Sagaria, Happy Treasures. I don't know her name, but her YouTube channel name is Happy Treasures. Karen from Balmain Beauty, Fading Dreams 300, Being Young and Beautiful. Sorry ladies, I really don't know your name because you haven't put up your name anywhere, so I just know the name of your YouTube channel. So Being Young and Beautiful, Himani Wright, you better do it. And Looking Good, Feeling Fab, Hina from Makeup by Hina, Pout Pretty, Shania Sinner, Shreya 26 Style, Stacy's Nail Candies. Pretty stuff she puts nails. I can never do all those things. Yeah, and Super Princess Jo. I think her name is Jyoti. Please don't mind if your name is not Jyoti. Yeah, but Super Princess Jyoti, I watch their videos all the time and I really like what they do. So girls, ladies, you better do this tag and let me know when you have done this tag. I would really like to see your version of this. So until next time, stay happy, stay beautiful, because life is beautiful. Yes, the video is over. Bye bye.